Alright, you guys ready? Here we go.
20.1.
Oh, so close.
Racing clouds in the sky ain't far.
Launch.
Strawberries buzzing like a
117.2.
shooting star. Isley grips the controls tight. Tiny whoops soaring through the lights. LED gates glowing bright and bold. 9 years strong, but her heart's pure gold. Through each turn and above each peak, strawberries hum makes the crowd all shriek. See her fly like the wind. Eislee and strawberry, they're destined to win. Round and round, gliding with grace, chasing dreams in this drone race. Every lap she gets closer still, buzzing in sync with the thrill. Up they go with a spiral twist, dodge the lights, can't resist. Fingers tapping in a rhythmic beat, Eislee and strawberry feeling the heat. Bright ladies cast electric glow. Up and up, let's watch the show. Gates disappear as they speed through. Strawberry's wings cut the sky blue. Victory's near, you feel the surge. Cross the line with the final urge. See her fly like the wind. Eislee and strawberry, they're destined to win. Round and round, gliding with grace, chasing dreams in this drone race. Fingers tapping in a rhythmic beat, Eislee and strawberry feeling the heat. Bright ladies cast electric glow. Up and up, let's watch the show. Gates disappear as they speed through. Strawberry's wings cut the sky blue. Victory's near, you feel the surge. Cross the line with the final lure.